What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Audi R8 installing video. Now, you guys know me so well. You guys said all in the comments after we put bags on the R8 that it needs a front lip or it needs a wing, it needs some side skirts, a little bit more aero to make it a little more aggressive. Plus, the BBS FIR wheels are so aggressive themselves that they really stand out a lot when the car has just all stock aero on it. So with that said, we're gonna be adding some more to it. Today, we're gonna be adding some Maxton Design Audi R8 full kit all the way around, front lip, side skirts, and a wing. I feel like it's a really subtle detail, but it's definitely something that the car absolutely needs, and I probably wouldn't be able to live without. So with that said, we're here in the lovely UltraMotive garage. There is the thing. So voila. Down here we have our aero. This is our front lip. As you can see, logo Maxton Design. Thanks to these guys so much. They are on board for the SEMA build and they have sent these in. And I also obviously have a wing that is currently getting painted right now. We're gonna go pick that up later on in the video and go plop that on the back. But obviously, I think this might actually be the first time you guys can see it aired down in daylight, because we picked it up at night when we put the airlift on it and it was all dark, so we had to go to the parking garage. But here it is in the beautiful cloudy weather of Seattle. Now with this whole air setup, it makes it really hard to work on with no clearance down here. And normally a static car, you'd have to start jacking it up and make sure you have all your clearance and stuff so you can start installing your underkits and everything like that. However, we are obviously on bags, so we're gonna use the magical button and basically just automatically jack up and raise the car with the air suspension so we have some clearance down here to work with. So let's get that started. But with that, I present to you monster truck fitment. So now obviously that little kind of buzzing sound that you guys heard earlier is my compressors. They're working at it, and I never got to show you guys the trunk setup. Now, I don't have, oh, there it is, there it goes. Now let's open it up. There's my compressors working hard. Now, it's nothing show-worthy, nothing special. I just wanted it to get done. I wanted it to get in there, and it actually takes up a lot less space than I thought it would. I could still put a full luggage bag right on top of there. But obviously, it does take up some space, and this car has no other place for a trunk because obviously the engine is sitting back there. So we're gonna need to come up with something to give ourselves some luggage when we go all the way down to SEMA. So first of all on the list of things to do, if we're gonna go with the side skirts, obviously Seattle weather has not been kind to this car, so we're gonna have to first clean everything underneath. Now having it raised all the way up does help a lot, but I think we're still gonna need to jack up one side in order to get our drill and everything fitted under there, so we're gonna go do that. Now we can get started with a skirt. We have to pause. We've run into a little bit of an issue in that no matter how high we raise the car with the current jacks that I have at my house, we cannot get enough height clearance to basically fit this whole drill bit underneath so we can start making holes to screw in the side skirts and all that stuff. So with that said, that means we have to take it to some place that can get the car high enough. So with that, I'm gonna transition to get us over there.
The next day.
Okay, now this is not something I'd recommend by any means, but sometimes when you're limited of space, you have to do what you have to do. I'm gonna try and transport my kit with the car. Hopefully it all goes well. Front lip, skirts, check. I'm gonna start it up. There goes nothing. So far no one's given me any weird looks or anything. I think this has to go down as history as delivering your R8 side skirts and front lip packed all inside the R8. This is just stuff you'll only see on the UltraMotive channel. This is why you guys have to keep subscribed, you know? Well, yeah. We made it in one piece, guys. Do you want to see my magic trick now?
Oh, you have wheel splits too.
Yeah, I know. Now it's so much harder to get out of the car. Dude, the front is just tucking so well. What's cool here is that not only do we have better tools and stuff to work on this car, we also have a better person to work on this car. He also has my final piece to the puzzle too. Oh, there it is. Ooh.
I need to buff it really quick, but
Oh, that looks sick.
Yeah.
So we got the Maxton Design R8 GT style wing. I'm not even sure if the actual GT wing has these little rivets right here. I kind of like the little styling of that. That's gonna help out this whole setup. It's literally all the last things that you guys requested going on this car. Oh, this looks so good already, oh my god. It's gonna complete it so well. We've taken the OEM screws that came underneath the car and now remounted it with the splitter. And those are pretty big, so this thing's definitely not going anywhere. This thing's on. This thing is gonna need a wash before SEMA. Alrighty, so we have both side skirts now mounted along with the front lip. Now it's time for the one you've all been waiting for. Time to put a wing on here, add some stuff to the rear end. Probably gonna mount it right onto here, screw in from underneath. That also means I'll probably have to disable this, so sadly the flex of the automatic wing that I can control will go away. But, I mean, I'm getting a bigger wing on top, so I can't complain. This thing all up on here with a little hint of 80s white powder. I can't put this down immediately. I think I have to let kind of the circulation, the heat and stuff, and let the car relax. But eventually this will be put down. We can see all that. Now I think it's time to take the car off the planks, air it out, see the front lip, the side skirts, all of it come together. I'm super hyped for this. Oh boy, I want to see the front.
Hey, dude, your suspension's all broken. Dang.
Oh! Oh, that's so low!
Jeez.
Can you go lower? Holy crap. Nah, this is, I mean, you can set the threshold to be lower on the bags, but for now, for my wheel clearance and everything, this is a...
You might hit like the...
Holy crap. Yeah, I don't know if I even want to get it. This is really close.
Yeah.
If you're like in grass or whatever, that's just how. Yo, that looks so wild.
There's nothing underneath the car's touching the ground.
The lip kit and everything completely complements the FIRs because the FIRs are very track focused wheel. They look very performance oriented, so all the aero completely helps it out. And that wing looks super sick. I really got to put it down though because it just looks really wacko mode having it sit up right here.
Emo wheels?
Oh,
Look
bro.
how small they are.
Dude, holy cow. Dude, I mean, with my extended
You would
bolts.
be on the ground with these.
Oh shoot.
You just gotta do a 4 to 5 lug conversion.
Yeah, I gotta have enough spacers and I could fit these on the outside. That angle right there, that's just super sick. Oh, that looks so good with all the aero. All right, we gotta put the wing down. We just gotta put the wing down. A full good look at the car, and then now Tommy's packing it. Huge shout out to Maxton Design for sending in the full aero kit for the car. If you guys need any R8 aero for the first gen model, they are completely the way to go. Everything has been flawless, and I just think it enhances the look completely. It makes your car look way more like a true supercar than a little bubbly Audi TT. This may or may not be the final modification video before SEMA. There's still more stuff to go on the car, more exciting stuff, but I might be debuting that at SEMA and leaving it a surprise and kind of a reveal for there, because this is pretty dialed in, but I still want to save a couple surprises because it's SEMA. You have to do that. With that, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm glad it all got done. It's finally nice outside here, and we're gonna go enjoy the rest of the day with the new setup. This is gonna be JackUltraMotive signing it off.